Welcome to WetRentals.com, where your next aquatic adventure begins. Whether you're craving the thrill of a jet ski, the calm of a kayak trip, or a leisurely day sailing with loved ones, Wet Rentals connects you with the perfect watercraft for any occasion. Understanding your rental is key. Your host will ensure you're comfortable with all aspects of the boat, from engine checks to navigational tools. Open seas require open communication. Wet Rentals encourages direct and clear dialogue with your host. Have questions? Need tips on local spots? Your host is your first mate in planning the perfect journey, and we're here too. Our platform makes it easy to stay connected with your host for a seamless rental experience. Life can steer us in unexpected directions. If you need to cancel, please review our cancellation policy closely. Timely cancellations are appreciated, but be aware, last-minute changes may incur charges. As you embrace the freedom of the open water, remember, you're the captain of this vessel's care. Renters are responsible for any damages during their voyage. Treat your rental with respect, as if it were your own, ensuring it returns in the same condition it set sail. Lastly, should the seas get rough, Wet Rentals is your lighthouse. If you need help, have concerns, or simply want to share how we can make your next adventure even better, call us. You're all set. Have a wet and wild time. See you out on the water.